Yes. So Prashant's, I'll just repeat that. It was a miracle to see them. It was a miracle for them. It's called miracle, not miracle. It was a miracle for them to see Prashant alive. They had thought Prashant to be dead. Prashant's family was there. Full stop. Prashant now leader of his village, heading of Prashant's activities as a leader of his village to help out people. Whatever you want to give, heading you give. Prashant decided to assess the damage and the danger awaiting the survivors. You know, the after effects of everything are very bad. Pandemic started in China. We are facing the after effects. That's bad. Bomb blast, people die, done. After that, what is going to happen? We must calculate everything. So now what was the danger and damage awaiting the survivors? Now what are we going to face? What do I have to do to control it? What precaution do I have to take? That was Prashant decided to assess the damage and danger awaiting the survivors. Full stop. Why was he thinking that? Why did he have to assess that? All the houses in the village had been washed away. Full stop. Prashant organized a group of youths of his village. Full stop. It pressurized the merchant to give them some rice. They made a fire and cooked the rice. However, the rice was rotting. Hunger is such a thing, whatever you get, you'll eat it then. His next stop was to clean the place of filth, urine and floating bodies. You can't stay in dirt, you can't stay with dead bodies, you will feel sick more. Infections will happen. Germs will go this side and that side. You will feel paranoid. That part. Now, children form a method, or you can write devise a method, not device, not CESE. Children devise a method to get food from above. What is above? Now we'll say that. You know that already, helicopters. On the 5th day, a military helicopter dropped food. We know that, but it did not return. Now the group deputed the children to lie there. Lie on the ground space where you have an empty space, you must lie down there for if you need any help. They had the empty utensils on their stomachs. It was to communicate to the passing helicopters that they were hungry. So when there are natural disasters, you must always wait. Helicopters will come. Military has to come, and they will come. We guys in the forces, the country stays safe, the country is happy, the country is going around, we are having fun because of guys like us who have given most of their time for the country. I have also been to natural disasters, I have been to bombing sites, I have been to terrorist groups who have killed so many people in houses, burned their places. I have been there, seen there, helped out people. You have to, that's our job. That's what we take the oath for. Irrespective of the fact I left in between, so there were reasons. Whatever. So you can always, if there is anything happening and you are stuck, someone or other is going to come. You must have faith and believe in yourself and just be quiet. Don't just dance around. Military will come. Wherever there is any problem, they come. Natural disaster time. First time the helicopter never came back. They had empty utensils on their stomachs. It was to communicate to the passing helicopters that they were hungry. Full stop. Finally, they got food through air dropping. Food dropped from the air by helicopters, by military guys, are called air dropping. They will not come down, they will drop, because there must be no place to land there. So much of water, how will they land in the water? Now, Prashant becomes a savior and a social worker. He is doing work for people, not thinking about himself. He became a savior. That he had that, Masiha type, Messiah. He brought the orphan children and made a shelter for them. He made a tent. He asked the women to look after them. He soon found that women and children were sinking deeper and deeper in their grief. They are always thinking about when there is a problem, what's going to happen, what happened, what will I do today? Today I'm eating, what will happen tomorrow? What will I do, my things, what's going to happen? People get grief, they start to get into depression. He made the women join the food for work program, so that they'll be cooking, they'll be serving, they'll get, their mind will be distracted. It was started by a non-government organization, this food program. He engaged other volunteers to help keep widows to start their lives. They'll work there. He also believed that orphans should be resettled in their own community, in that same village they should stay back with the families, those who have lost. So they will know whose child is this, and that they are accustomed to that place. If you are sent somewhere to a new place and you are locked inside a room and the whole day you are inside a building, but it's written outside child care. If a helicopter can drop food for you, God can arrange that. If your blessings are there, if you are good luck, you do your hard work. So if you stay in a place, food will come. There was no food. The Supreme Power gave coconuts. He didn't make the coconuts float away. He made some coconut trees fall on houses so that people could eat. After 6 months, now what happened? Towards the end. After 6 months passed, soon, after 6 months is that heading. 6 months passed soon after the super cyclone. 6 months have passed away now. Things have become normal. Full stop. Prashant now thought about himself. Now he is thinking about himself. Earlier he had no time to bother about his pain. The widows and the orphan children of the village thought of Prashant only in the hours of grief. Don't think about him now anymore. That's what he was thinking. That the time of help, you help people, but after that people don't remember you anymore. No one thinks about him anymore. Sad, when you do something for people, and in his last line when it says, his handsome youthful face is what the widows and orphan children of his village seek out most in the darkest hour of grief, not when they are happy. He had time to bother about himself now. He worked so much for them, but he did not get any credentials. So what? You do your job. Don't worry what is going to happen. Don't compare yourself. Okay? So guys, in the next class I'll come back with the question answers. We'll discuss them. Take care. Bye bye. God bless.